Nowadays, different gadgets are created almost every single day. Today we will talk about top 3 most useful gadgets that can be used at home. Number 3 is a robot vacuum cleaner. This little thing not only vacuums different kinds of floors, but it can mop it as well. So why don't you save your priceless time and stop thinking about boring mopping and vacuuming? Number 2 is a dishwasher. This thing is definitely not small in size, but aren't you tired of doing your dishes by hands? If you are, then you definitely should think of buying a dishwasher. Number 1 is an air conditioning system which is controlled by a special application on your phone. You can create different climate zones in different rooms of your house. Isn't it wonderful? Nowadays, there are a lot of gadgets. Some people cannot imagine their lives without their mobile phones, while others say that the most useful gadget in the world is the washing machine. To talk about high-tech gadgets, we need some words. Businesswoman – деловая женщина. Camcorder – видеокамера. Career – карьера. Client – клиент. Collection – коллекция. Convenient – удобный. Device – устройство, приспособление. Digital camera – цифровой фотоаппарат. Edit – редактировать. Embarrassed – смущенный. Essay – эссе, сочинение. Freedom – свобода. Gadget – гаджет, техническая новинка. Headphones – наушники. Handy – удобный. Impossible – невозможный. Laptop – портативный компьютер, ноутбук. MP3 player – MP3 player. Passion – страсть. Pastime – занятие, хобби. PDA – Personal Digital Assistant – карманный персональный компьютер. Photography – фотография. Research – исследование. Social life – социальная жизнь. Software – программное обеспечение. Store – хранить. Techno-freak – фанат техники. TV – телевизор. Underground – метро. University lecture – лекция в университете. Video mobile phone – мобильный телефон с камерой. Voice recorder – диктофон. Be hooked on – быть очень увлеченным. Look up – искать. Be really into something – быть увлеченным чем-то. Be on the move – быть в движении, на ходу. It goes without saying – само собой, разумеется. Keep a record – вести записи, дневник.